Question 1. SWIFT is established under. Option A. US law. Option B. UK law. Option C. Belgian law. Option D. Russian law. Answer C. Belgian law. Question 2. RBI acts as bankers to central government on basis I. Mandatory. 2. Agreement. Option A. Only. I. Option B. Only. 2. Option C. Either I or 2. Option D. Neither I nor 2. Answer A. Only I. Question 3. When a standalone system is connected to the existing multi-user systems, they are called as. Option A. Workstation. Option B. Server. Option C. Node. Option D. Either A or C. Answer D. Either A or C. Question 4. Which is not a common task performed by the regional office/zonal office? Option A. Interbranch reconciliation. Option B. Customer service. Option C. Credit monitoring. Option D. Personnel data management. Answer B. Customer service. Question 5. The Data Processing NEFT Clearing Center National Clearing Cell, NCC, of the RBI is located at. Option A. New Delhi. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Calcutta. Option D. Chennai. Answer B. Mumbai. Question 6. What are we going to do? And how are we going to do? In which of the following categories these two questions fall? Option A. Researching. Option B. Planning. Option C. Controlling. Option D. Managing. Answer B. Planning. Question 7. CHIP started its operation in. Option A. 1960. Option B. 1970. Option C. 1980. Option D. 1990. Answer B. 1970. Question 8. In credit cards, the period of interest-free credit ranges from days. Option A. 15 to 50. Option B. 16 to 51. Option C. 15 to 51. Option D. 16 to 50. Answer C. 15 to 51. Question 9. In service sector, small enterprises investment in equipment is. Option A. Less than 25 lakhs. Option B. 10 lakhs to 2 crores. Option C. 25 lakhs to 5 crores. Option D. 5 crores to 10 crores. Answer B. 10 lakhs to 2 crores. Question 10. Farmers owning a minute of acres of irrigated lands are eligible for farm mechanization. Option A. 6. Option B. 8. Option C. 10. Option D. 12. Answer B. 8. Question 11. Kisan credit card is normally valid for a period of years. Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 4. Option D. 0.5. Answer B. 3. Question 12. Maximum no of partners in a non-banking partnership firm is underscore 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 in Terms Act. Option A. 10, Indian Partnership Act 1932. Option B. 20, Indian Partnership Act 1932. Option C10, Companies Act 1956. Option D20, Companies Act 1956. Answer D20, Companies Act 1956. Question 13, which of the following is true when death/insolvency/retirement or expulsion of any partner takes place in a partnership firm? Option A. Firm is compulsorily dissolved. Option B. Firm is reconstituted. Option C. Continuation of the firm depends upon the provisions made in the partnership deed. Option D. Both B or C. Answer D. Both B or C. Question 14, what is the true limit for a bank to dispose customers' complaints? Option A. 1 month. Option B. 2 month. Option C. 3 month. Option D. 6 month. Answer B. 2 month. Question 15, what kind of complaint can be lodged with the banking ombudsman? Option A. Delay in collection of checks. Option B. Deficiency in cash transaction. Option C. Non-issue of demand drafts. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 16, a partnership firm is dissolved compulsorily in which of the following circumstances? Option A. When all the partners are declared insolvent. Option B. When the business of the firm becomes unlawful. Option C. When a competent court passes an order for the dissolution of the firm. Option D. All these cases. Answer D. All these cases. Question 17, min share capital required in case of private and public Ltd co respectively. Option A. Rs 1 lakh, 7 rupees lakhs, 50 rupees lakhs. Option C. 5 rupees lakhs, 7 rupees lakhs. Option D. Rs 1 lakh, 5 rupees lakhs. Answer D. Rs 1 lakh, 5 rupees lakhs. Question 18, minimum and maximum number of shareholders in a private limited co. Option A2, 50. Option B5, 50. Option C2, 20. Option D5, 20. Answer A2, 50. Question 19, which among the following is not mentioned in the Memorandum of Association of a company? Option A. Objects of the company. Option B. Authorized capital. Option C. Powers of directors in conducting general affairs of the company. Option D. Registered office. Answer C. Powers of directors in conducting general affairs of the company. Question 20, rules relating to common seal are contained in which of the following? Option A. Certification of incorporation. Option B. Memorandum of Association. Option C. Certificate of commencement of business. Option D. Articles of Association. Answer D. Articles of Association. Question 21, banks' assets are classified into standard, substandard, doubtful and loss assets, based on the recommendations of Committee. Option A. Rangarajan. Option B. Narsingham. Option C. Ghosh. Option D. Tandon. Answer B. Narsingham. Question 22, satellite is fitted with transmitters and receiving antennas called. Option A. Transmitters. Option B. Transponders. Option C. Receivers. Option D. Both A and C. Answer B. Transponders. Question 23, B is payee of a check, who endorses it to C. C lost the check which is found by D, who endorses it in favor of A for valuable consideration by way of forging C signatures. The check is dishonored. A can recover from. Option A B. Option B C. Option C D. Option D any of the previous parties. Answer C D. Question 24, which is not correct with regard to selling? Option A focus is on the products. Option B marketing is a broader concept than selling. Option C profit maximizes with customer satisfaction. Option D profit maximizes with increase in volume. Answer C profit maximizes with customer satisfaction. Question 25, holidays are declared to the banks under. Option A RBI Act. Option B Banking Regulation Act. Option C Negotiable Instrument Act. Option D Indian Contracts. Answer C Negotiable Instrument Act. Question 26. Requires collection of information related to understand customers, competitors, trends, and changes in the environment and internal strengths and weaknesses using systematic marketing research and marketing information systems, and scientific analysis of the data. Option A analysis. Option B planning. Option C implementation. Option D control. Answer A analysis. Question 27, A and B are maintaining an E or S account. D has been named as nominee. Both A and B die in an accident. C, son of A, serves a legal notice through his advocate and objects payment to the nominee D. What action you will take? Option A payment will be made jointly to legal heirs of A and B. Option B payment will be made to C. Option C payment to D will be a valid discharge to bank's liability. Option D payment to D will be stopped. Answer C payment to D will be a valid discharge to bank's liability. Question 28, which of the following functions are carried by IRDA in India? I. Regulator of insurance companies. 2. Regulator of insurance products. 3. Supervision of the general insurance market. Option A only, I, and 2. Option B only, I, and 3. Option C only, 2, and 3. Option D, I, 2, and 3. Answer D, I, 2, and 3. Question 29, standalone systems are best suited for the. Option A CBS. Option B decision-making process. Option C customer service. Option D none of these. Answer B decision-making process. Question 30, book debts can be financed by. Option A factoring. Option B forfeiting. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. Answer C both A and B. Question 31. Is capable of fastest broadband transmission. Option A dial-up network. Option B microwave network. Option C leased lines network. Option D all of the above. Answer B microwave network. Question 32. Two firms are said to be identical when. Option A partners of the two firms are same. Option B when the two firms have some common factors. Option C when the activity is same. Option D when the address is same. Answer A partners of the two firms are same. Question 33. To carry out functions of Central Federal System, USA has been divided into districts. Option A10. Option B12. Option C15. Option D25. Answer B12. Question 34, expand IFTP. Option A. Interbank Funds Transfer Processor. Option B. Interbank Funds Transfer Protocol. Option C. Interbank File Transfer Protocol. Option D. International File Transfer Protocol. Answer A. Interbank Funds Transfer Processor. Question 35, as per Section 108 of Indian Evidence Act, 1872, presumption of death can be raised only after a lapse of years from the date of any person being reported missing. Option A. 3 years. Option B. 5 years. Option C. 7 years. Option D. 10 years. Answer C. 7 years. Question 36, a maintaining a SBA/C is reported missing for more than a year. Balance in his account is Rs1 lakh. Which of the following is true regarding settlement of claim in this case? Option A. Claim can be settled only after a lapse of 7 years. Option B. Claim can be settled after obtaining FIR, non-traceable report issued by the police authorities and indemnity from the claimant as per discretionary power of branch manager. Option C. Claim can be settled after obtaining FIR, non-traceable report issued by the police authorities and indemnity from the claimant by AGM, admin, of the respective region. Option D. All are true. Answer C. Claim can be settled after obtaining FIR, non-traceable report issued by the police authorities and indemnity from the claimant by AGM, admin, of the respective region. Question 37, which of the following statement is not true? Option A. Minor cannot become a partner in a firm, but he can be admitted to the benefits of the partnership with the consent of all partners. Option B. Minor is not liable personally for any debts of the firm, nor his private property can be made liable. Option C. Minor's share in the firm is liable for all acts of the firm. Option D. Within 1 month of attaining majority, minor should by way of public notice, elect to become or not to become a partner in the firm. Answer D. Within 1 month of attaining majority, minor should by way of public notice, elect to become or not to become a partner in the firm. Question 38, if loan is sanctioned against pledge of stocks, within how many days creation of charge should be filed with Registrar of Companies? Option A. 30 days. Option B. 45 days. Option C. 60 days. Option D. Registration not required. Answer D. Registration not required. Question 39, which is a possible approach which can be adopted by a firm, when it faces a situation that the expected sales and profit do not reach the desired levels? Option A. Intensive growth. Option B. Integrative growth. Option C. Diversification growth. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 40, intensive growth is defined as Option A. Identify opportunities for further growth within the existing businesses. Option B. Identify opportunities to build or acquire businesses related to the existing businesses. Option C. Identify opportunities to add attractive businesses, unrelated to the existing businesses. Option D. None of the above. Answer A. Identify opportunities for further growth within the existing businesses. Question 41, during mortgage, normally parent documents for years is asked for. Option A. 10 years. Option B. 13 years. Option C. 20 years. Option D. 30 years. Answer D. 30 years. Question 42, A and B are maintaining an E or S account. D has been named as nominee. Both A and B die in an accident. C. Son of A, serves a legal notice through his advocate and objects payment to the nominee D. What action you will take? Option A. Payment will be made jointly to legal heirs of A and B. Option B. Payment will be made to C. Option C. Payment to D will be a valid discharge to bank's liability. Option D. Payment to D will be stopped. Answer C. Payment to D will be a valid discharge to bank's liability. Question 43, under PMRY, the project cost for the industry sector is restricted to Option A. 2 lakhs. Option B. 5 lakhs. Option C. 6 lakhs. Option D. 10 lakhs. Answer B. 5 lakhs. Question 44, product strategies are based on Option A. Product mix. Option B. Product life cycle. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Both A and B. Question 45, borrowing powers of the board of directors of the company can be verified by examining Option A. Memorandum of Association. Option B. Articles of Association. Option C. Certificate of Incorporation. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Articles of Association. Question 46, BankNet was set up in Option A. 1971. Option B. 1981. Option C. 1991. Option D. 2001. Answer C. 1991. Question 47, the master earth station of NICNet is installed in Option A. Mumbai. Option B. New Delhi. Option C. Hyderabad. Option D. Chennai. Answer B. New Delhi. Question 48, BankNet link. Cities. Option A. 5. Option B. 6. Option C. 7. Option D. 8. Answer C. 7. Question 49, diversification in which the new products have technological and/or marketing synergies with existing product lines, though the target groups of customers are entirely different, is called as Option A. Concentric diversification. Option B. Horizontal diversification. Option C. Conglomerate diversification. Option D. None of the above. Answer A. Concentric diversification. Question 50, a bank customer ABC enjoys a CC limit of 300,000 rupees. The CC account shows a credit balance of 25,000 rupees. The relationship between the bank and the customer is Option A. Debtor/creditor. Option B. Creditor/debtor. Option C. Bailor/bailee. Option D. Bailee/bailer. Answer A. Debtor/creditor. Question 51, the right of set-off is Option A. Customer's right. Option B. Customer's obligation. Option C. Banker's right. Option D. Banker's discretion. Answer D. Banker's discretion. Question 52, RBI acts as bankers to state government on basis I. Mandatory, 2. Agreement. Option A only, I. Option B only, 2. Option C either, I, or, 2. Option D neither, I, nor, 2. Answer B only, 2. Question 53. The clearinghouse facilities for payment and delivery of securities is provided by Option A SEBI. Option B Stock Exchange. Option C Clearing Corporation of India. Option D all the above. Answer B Stock Exchange. Question 54. The Central Board of RBI comprises a governor, 4 deputy governors and directors. Option A.5. Option B.7. Option C10. Option D.15. Answer D.15. Question 55. RBI acts as bankers to central government on basis and state governments on basis. Option A by agreement, by agreement. Option B mandatory, on agreement. Option C by agreement, mandatory. Option D mandatory, mandatory. Answer B mandatory, on agreement. Question 56. Normally what type of movement is seen in interest rate with change in bank rate by RBI? Option A if bank rate is reduced, interest rate of banks increase. Option B if bank rate is increased, interest rate of banks decrease. Option C if bank rate is reduced, interest rate of banks decrease. Option D if bank rate is reduced or increased, there is no change in the interest rate of banks. Answer C if bank rate is reduced, interest rate of banks decrease. Question 57. The small companies/organizations that have been created exclusively to deal in government securities are called I. Mutual funds, 2. NBFCs. Option A only, I. Option B only, 2. Option C either, I, or, 2. Option D neither, I, nor, 2. Answer D neither, I, nor, 2. Question 58. Minimum amount of a CP should be log/S. Option A1. Option B2. Option C3. Option D5. Answer D5. Question 59. Banking ombudsman is Option A legal machinery established by subordinate legislation to provide an additional but optional legal remedy. Option B a judicial machinery. Option C NGO. Option D an administrative machinery. Answer A legal machinery established by subordinate legislation to provide an additional but optional legal remedy. Question 60. The minimum tenor of issue of CDs can be days. Option A7. Option B14. Option C30. Option D91. Answer A7. Question 61. An award by banking ombudsman will contain Option A specific performance of operations. Option B loss/cost to be borne by the bank. Option C reasons for making the award. Option D all the above. Answer D all the above. Question 62. Internet is Option A network of LAN. Option B network of ATMs. Option C network of ALPMs. Option D network of networks. Answer D network of networks. Question 63, a passive threat to computer security is: Option A. Malicious intent. Option B. Sabotage. Option C. Accidental errors. Option D. Espionage agents. Answer C. Accidental errors. Question 64, which is not a function of a bank? Option A. Remittances. Option B. Discounting of bills. Option C. Conducting foreign exchange/government transactions. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 65, in garnishee order, the personal account of a partner. For the debts of the firm. Option A can be attached. Option B can't be attached. Option C can be attached if ordered so by the court. Option D none of these. Answer A can be attached. Question 66, mandate is A. Agreement. Option A stamped. Option B unstamped. Option C memorandum. Option D letter. Answer B unstamped. Question 67, the benefits of test marketing are: Option A an opportunity to decide about launching or dropping the product. Option B determining the suitable consumers. Option C more reliable forecast of future sales. Option D determining the better promotional strategies. Answer B determining the suitable consumers. Question 68, mode of communication capable of only transmitting data but not receiving is: Option A simplex. Option B semi-duplex or half-duplex. Option C duplex. Option D none of the above. Answer A simplex. Question 69, Mr. Jugraj Lal comes to open a saving bank account with your branch. He also has a check of 500 rupees, which he would deposit in the account when account is opened. Which among the following can be accepted as first deposit in the account? Option A cash only. Option B check. Option C DD/BC. Option D any of the above. Answer D any of the above. Question 70, a partnership firm is dissolved compulsorily in which of the following circumstances? Option A when all the partners are declared insolvent. Option B when the business of the firm becomes unlawful. Option C when a competent court passes an order for the dissolution of the firm. Option D all these cases. Answer D all these cases. Question 71, min share capital required in case of private and public Ltd co respectively. Option A Rs 1 lakh, 7 rupees lakhs. Option B 5 rupees lakhs, 50 rupees lakhs. Option C 5 rupees lakhs, 7 rupees lakhs. Option D Rs 1 lakh, 5 rupees lakhs. Answer D Rs 1 lakh, 5 rupees lakhs. Question 72, minimum and maximum number of shareholders in a private limited co. Option A2, 50. Option B5, 50. Option C2, 20. Option D5, 20. Answer A2, 50. Question 73, vehicle loans available to transport operators are made available with modifications to retail and agri customers are example for: Option A line extension. Option B brand extension. Option C multi-brands. Option D new brands. Answer B. Brand extension. Question 74, which of the following is not the characteristics of the services? Option A. Intangibility. Option B. Perishability. Option C. Separability. Option D. Heterogeneity. Answer C. Separability. Question 75, a power of attorney PA executed abroad, should be stamped within how many months of its receipt in India? Option A. 1 month. Option B. 2 months. Option C. 3 months. Option D. 6 months. Answer C. 3 months. Question 76, which can be taken as identity proof under KYC? Option A. Ration card. Option B. PAN card. Option C. Telephone bill. Option D. Electricity bill. Answer B. PAN card. Question 77, which of the following is true when death/insolvency/retirement or expulsion of any partner takes place in a partnership firm? Option A. Firm is compulsorily dissolved. Option B. Firm is reconstituted. Option C. Continuation of the firm depends upon the provisions made in the partnership deed. Option D. Both B or C. Answer D. Both B or C. Question 78, banker-customer relationship comes to an end on. Option A. Death of customer. Option B. Insolvency of customer. Option C. Insanity of customer. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 79, which of the following is not the level of the product? Option A. Potential product. Option B. Augmented product. Option C. Product line. Option D. Expected product. Answer C. Product line. Question 80, which is not a function of RBI? Option A. Lender of last resort to banks. Option B. Management of government debts. Option C. Regulating capital market. Option D. Bankers to government. Answer C. Regulating capital market. Question 81, the securities are held in electronic form by. Option A. SEBI. Option B. Depositories. Option C. Mutual funds. Option D. Registrars. Answer B. Depositories. Question 82, interest rate risk is an example for. Option A. Market risk. Option B. Operational risk. Option C. Credit risk. Option D. All of the above. Answer A. Market risk. Question 83, which one doesn't come under financial markets? Option A. Money market. Option B. Debt market. Option C. Forex market. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 84, RBI issues notes of. Option A. All denomination. Option B. All denomination except 1 rupee. Option C. All denomination except 1,000 rupees. Option D. None of these. Answer B. All denomination except 1 rupee. Question 85, Infinet is set up at. Option A. Mumbai. Option B. New Delhi. Option C. Hyderabad. Option D. Chennai. Answer C. Hyderabad. Question 86, Limitation period for filing a suit for sale of mortgaged property is years from due date. Option A 10 years. Option B 12 years. Option C 20 years. Option D 30 years. Answer B 12 years. Question 87, which is not a communication processor? Option A message switches. Option B multiplexers. Option C transponders. Option D front-end processors. Answer C transponders. Question 88, a minor account can be opened jointly with. Option A natural guardian. Option B grandparents. Option C adult member of the family. Option D any one of the above. Answer A natural guardian. Question 89, while raising a loan for the company, who will sign the documents on behalf of the company? Option A managing director. Option B authorized official as mentioned in resolution from board of directors. Option C executive director. Option D none of the above. Answer B authorized official as mentioned in resolution from board of directors. Question 90, in which topology, breakdown of one station can disable the entire LAN? Option A star. Option B bus. Option C ring. Option D none of these. Answer C ring. Question 91, various techniques like brainstorming sessions, surveys for need/idea identification, suggestion scheme for staff are used during. Option A idea screening. Option B commercial launch. Option C product development. Option D concept testing. Answer A idea screening. Question 92, is a complex function requiring use of both qualitative and quantitative techniques including budgetary control, control of marketing mix, and even marketing audit. Option A analysis. Option B planning. Option C implementation. Option D control. Answer D control. Question 93, which of the following is not the stage of product life cycle? Option A introduction. Option B growth. Option C maturity. Option D none of these. Answer D none of these. Question 94, suspicious transactions to be submitted to FIU for amount. Option A 10 lakhs and above. Option B above 10 lakhs. Option C above 2 lakhs. Option D any amount. Answer D any amount. Question 95, for a loan to be raised in case of need, a person assigns his insurance policy in favor of the bank. Such relationship of the customer with the bank will be of A/N. Option A pledger and pledgee. Option B beneficiary and trustee. Option C lender and borrower. Option D assignor and assignee. Answer D assignor and assignee. Question 96, which of the following is not the process of marketing management? Option A analysis. Option B planning. Option C control. Option D none of these. Answer D none of these. Question 97, which of the following is not the characteristic associated with transactions between two or more parties? Option A agreed upon conditions. Option B time of agreement. Option C. A place of agreement. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 98. A garnishee order is applicable to. Option A. Demand deposits. Option B. Time deposits subject to maturity. Option C. Recurring deposit. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 99. Who doesn't comes under low risk category under KYC guidelines? Option A. Persons from lower strata of the society. Option B. Salaried employees. Option C. Trusts. Option D. Government departments. Answer C. Trusts. Question 100. Marketing concept is rested on four main pillars. Which of the following is not amongst four pillars? Option A. Target market. Option B. Customer needs. Option C. Segregated marketing. Option D. Profitability. Answer C. Segregated marketing.